Hi guys! Good morning! Good morning guys! And po guys, baka gustong-gusto kayo magkakaroon ng backup source of income. So kailangan mag-stop dreaming ka guys. Kailangan gagawin mo ito. Stop dreaming internet income even while you sleep is real. So ang kailangan lang po ninyo guys is mag-sign up here. Kailangan mag-sign up po ninyo guys. There is a free registration. So, kailangan lang po ipilapan ninyo itong account o itong dito box, yung first name, last name, country, password, email address, and get started earning money with SFI. So, SFI is Strong Future International Marketing Group. So, ayan po guys, ano ba talaga ito guys? Kailangan babasahin natin ito, 20 reasons why you love SFI. So, SFI is a work from the comfort of your home or as you travel on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Start free, no obligation, and no purchases requirements ever. Can start earning money within hours. So we take care of all orders, payment, shipping, and customer service for you. So no experience necessary. We train you free. Excellent long-term residual income potential. Earn money worldwide in over 200 countries. So, just try it guys to sign up this or free registration. So, learn and earn at your own pace. Now, in our 25th successful year, parent company 39-year compensation plan utilizes powerful infinite dynamic compression for maximum payouts, world-class 24/7 support and assistance, one of the fastest growing companies of its kind in the world with explosive worldwide growth that projected for the next 10 years. So that is work with fellow entrepreneurs from all over the world for mutual success, fun, fast, modern program built for the internet. So a proven company that gets results every day, free, customized for your websites, personal, one-on-one support available around the clock, continuous income cycling, earn 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, start fast with our cutting-edge plug-in and go marketing tools and programs. It free family-owned company. So, our rock-solid track record since 1998, this company, which shown over 22 million men and women in more than 190 countries worldwide, how to create a 24/7 income stream. Yesterday alone, 70 people from 90 different countries became affiliates. So, tingnan po ninyo guys, we are 23rd plus your member of the Better Business Bureau serving SE Nebraska. Click banner for details. So, ayan po guys, if you want to try this as a business opportunity worldwide, even if wherever you go, wherever you live, try this one. So, ayan po, just click sign up free below. So, that is this box. Kindly fill up this. You can sign in, or registration is free. So what others are saying, I don't think anyone could go wrong with the superior training and support that EasyFi freely offers to their affiliates, and the products are great too. R. Rini, ERUSA. Wow, this program is the one that delivers everything they see and more. SBB Rage Canada, from Canada. So guys, kindly try this one. So I will be putting my the link inside of my description, and you can click of that link if you want or interested to become an affiliate here in EasyFi Strong Future International Marketing Group. Kindly click of that link, and you can registration, or you can free registration of that link. So stop dreaming, guys. So internet income even while you sleep is real. So that is a passive income, guys. So guys, try it now. So I will be waiting for you for my team. So thank you for your watching, guys. That it is all about of my video about this stop dreaming and turn it income even while you sleep is real. So try it now, and thank you for watching. So by the way, guys, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, and kindly hit the notification for bell icon for other or another, or for notification for another video is coming. So thank you for watching, and bye for now.